Hey YouTube, what's happening? Yindor Tech here. Got another Kodi add-on video for you today. If you like the videos, please consider subscribing, like the video, and share it with your friends. Some of the repos seem to be going down. I don't know if it's just maintenance or they're having problems. But this is a new one for you today. It's called Scrubs V2. Let's get started. We'll go to your settings, system, click on it, go to add-ons and turn on unknown sources. Hit yes. And we go back a screen to our file manager. Double click add source, click none, and our repo URL is going to be https://jewbmx.github.io. Hit OK. Give it a name. We'll call it JB for Jewbox. Hit OK. Now we'll go back to our Kodi home screen. Click Add-ons. Your open file box. Click Install from zip file. JBRepo. Repository JewRepo 1.5.3. Add-ons installed. Now let's install from repository JewRepo. Video add-ons. Scrubs V2. Click on it. Click install. Hit OK. Give it a few seconds and it'll get installing. Wait till you see in the upper right hand corner it'll say that an add-on was installed. A few more seconds. There we go. Now we can back out to our home screen. Scrubs V2, there it is. Movies, TV shows. Seems to be working pretty good so far. Well, thanks guys. Have a great day.